freshly washed?
Mm-hmm.
Would you wash with?
Like, so I would use like this native stuff, and then I use this stuff from L'Oreal.
Mm-hmm. We kind of already talked about straightening a little bit, right? You were straightening and you're not straightening anymore.
Mm-hmm.
This is kind of where the heat damage is sitting, right?
Yeah.
Okay. And then before, or usually you're just slicking it back.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Let me see your inspiration pictures. Do you have any inspiration?
I don't really have any inspiration pictures.
Okay.
I just like, I don't like how it's like always out whenever like I'm out of the shower. Like I want it more like whenever I was sitting on the video call, like more down and like flat kind of.
Mm-hmm.
Like I just don't want it like.
You don't want it big.
Yeah, like I don't want it like this because I don't know, it just looks really big.
Okay. Well, that can be like a styling technique I show you how to do.
Okay.
But I don't want you to think that you have, not think. I just don't want you to get into the habit of like trying to make your hair flat all the time.
Yeah.
Because you're working against how your hair expands. Your hair expands naturally. Yes, it could be more defined than how it looks right now, but it is going to be bigger because that's what curly hair does.
Yeah.
Does that make sense?
Yeah.
I don't think she's ever seen her hair in a nice curl, big. So I think if she saw her hair bigger or fluffier or whatever, but with a nice curl pattern, she would like it a lot more. I think it's just
with
the
more
fact
definition.
that there's so much like damage right now because So I think
So this top section is going to be a little bit more workout.
Okay.
It's going to lose moisture faster. It's going to lose definition faster. And so you're probably going to have to refresh the top of your hair a lot more frequently than the bottom because your curl pattern is still intact.
Okay.
So when I told you about it on the phone, how if your hair is all the way stretched out, there's no reverting it. And there's a little bit of elasticity to it. So hopefully that it does hold some curl, but it's not going to hold curls like the underneath.
Bottom. Okay.
Yeah, so just to give you that, but I do want to figure out like what your inspo is because we can't just kind of go off of nothing,
Okay.
you know. So we can kind of be on the same page. I know what I want to do, but I want you to tell me what you want me to do.
Okay.
I would take these off
Okay.
and round it more in, tuck it in more, and then you have bangs.
Oh.
You know what you do?
Well, I'm not a big fan of bangs, so like I didn't like.
Why aren't you a big fan of bangs?
Well, I just don't like kind of like how it's like always in your face and stuff, and I just like I feel like I can never get it to where it's not in my face.
Yeah. I like to give people haircuts based on what their hair is naturally already doing, right? So I don't, like I said, I don't want you to go home and work against your hair because if you continue to work against your hair, then you're not gonna like it. So if your hair's already short right here, we might as well put you in a bang
Okay.
because it's already this short. Does that make sense?
Yes, it does.
And how does that make you feel?
I feel like it makes me better when you like talk about it.
Okay, so I want these to just be, these are gonna be bangs.
Okay.
Probably way shorter than bangs, honestly. They look really short because they're so short. So they wouldn't really look like bangs, they look like just really short pieces that you cut.
Yeah.
When I assume this is just breakage.
Okay.
Is it?
yeah, you didn't cut that lip.
No, yeah, you didn't cut it, so it's just
Yeah,
breaking
it
off
must
from
have
like
broken,
slipping
heat
back,
or
heat, right.
yanking on it,
Yeah.
something.
So then I would want to add more bang because we want to hide that. And you still have shorter pieces here, like everything's pretty short around your hairline. So we're just going to blend all this together because you see how it's already short.
Yeah.
Rather than you trying to hide that and then being like, oh, it's not connected. Because if I do that, I have to connect these pieces with back here. And I can't do that unless you want really short hair.
Yeah.
I don't think you want that short hair. As far as like really short layers, because I know that you want length. So I don't want to go in and add a crazy amount of layers. I just want to start connecting things. So how can I do that? This is shorter, so we're gonna just leave this how it is and let this grow out, right? If you don't want bangs, that's totally fine. But we're gonna lean into whatever you have going on right now so we can preserve as much length as we can.
Okay.
Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Okay, so I guess let's just not go off of inspo, and can you just trust me?
Yeah.
How do you feel about this?
Like in front?
No, just your hair in general.
Oh, I love it.
You love it.
Yeah.
Okay. Do you like the way it's looking at everything?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
But like the front, I don't know. Just
Well, you can just
part it kind of like that.
because what I wanted to do was
Like that.
to give you more shape, but I was going to show you like to push this forward and bring these layers up because it's just one level. But if you like that, that's okay. Yeah, if you like it, then let's leave it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Cool.
Oh, that's so pretty.
Yeah. Looks great. And super soft. Do you like the volume of that?
Yes.
You do?
Mhm.
Love it.